Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and components.
Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. The Predator Hermes RGB DDR5-6800 C32 memory kit.
First off, let's talk about the design. The Hermes memory modules sport an aluminum heat spreader with a sleek and stylish look.
The honeycomb pattern and diagonal highlights give it a unique aesthetic, and of course, we can't forget about the RGB lighting.
With 8 independent lighting areas, these modules know how to light up your build.
Now, one interesting feature is the optional auxiliary cooling fan. While it may not be necessary for everyone, it's a nice addition for those who want some extra cooling power. However, do note that it's designed for motherboards with 4 memory slots, so keep that in mind.
Installation is straightforward, but be mindful of the height of these modules.
At 51.20 mm tall, they might pose some clearance issues with larger CPU coolers.
Liquid cooling users, though, have nothing to worry about. Now, let's talk performance.
The Hermes RGB DDR5-6800 C32 impressed us with its out-of-the-box performance. With tight timings and solid overclocking potential, this kit holds its own against some of the best on the market. In our testing, the Hermes memory performed admirably, especially considering its DDR5-6800 rating. It may not be the absolute fastest, but it certainly holds its own, especially with those tighter memory timings. So, what's the bottom line?
Well, if you're in the market for high-performance DDR5 memory with striking aesthetics,
the Predator Hermes RGB DDR5-6800 C32 is worth considering.
It's got the looks, the performance, and the overclocking potential to make it a solid choice for any gaming rig. That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, happy building!